Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Claude and Jessica living in the Philippines.
Living in
And
Texas.
We're going to show you how to pack a Balikbayan box. My wife's going to show you. Let me say this first. This is some things that are in it. My wife's going to do the talking.
So, we have the Balikbayan bags here. We Filipinos, kung ga-abroad ka or overseas, kabalo na mo kung Filipino mo. Mao gini atong ginapadala sa ato ang family padulong sa Pilipinas. Dili man ta makauli or makabakasyon, but we have the pasalubong here. So in pasalubong, in Balikbayan bags, you can put wherever you want. So for me, mo ni ang sulod sa among Balikbayan bags. So chismos. And si Papa, ganahan kay siya og ingani. What's it called, this one? Well, we call this one in the Philippines like chicharron.
Pork skin.
Pork skin chicharron.
Yeah, stand over here, honey. That way you can.
So you can put wherever you want. So I get some cereal here for the kids, some clothes, and some towels, whatever you want. It's really up to you. Some t-shirts, bags, and I get a coffee mate.
Oh yeah, gotta give them coffee, mate.
Coffee mate, Mama and Papa, my whole family love this one. And last time, nagpabalikbayan bags ko, I put some coffee, like American coffee. Mama and Papa don't even drink, or my brothers and sister, because they told me that it's really, really strong. But I don't want to kind of use it. I can't even like send it and then didn't just use it. So I'll make it sure I'm gonna buy some stuff that will like it. And of course, you don't forget, this is the number one na pinaka-importante nga malipay sila. Ang uban, dili sila ga-care ni mga sinina, mga sapatos, or whatever. This is all the care. Chocolates.
Oh.
So karon nagpalit ko og dako nga bag. So daghan man sila para dili sila mag-away-away. I put their name here, Mama and Papa, and Crystal and Marcos or whatever. But for now, ako man siyang gibahin-bahin, so gamay ra siya ang unod. So magpalit pa ko og isa ka or maybe 2 or 3 things of chocolates, bags of chocolates. So I'm gonna put there and mix it. So mo ni akong rason nga ginaputos na ako siya para dili sila mag-away, especially sa mga bata, gaka-excited sila sa mga chocolates. So if there's already a name, so like you can just take it.
Yes,
And
it's good to put names on everything, right?
so last time we sent a Balikbayan bags in the Philippines, it cost us around $120, something like that. Yeah, so in Balikbayan bags, we call us pasalubong, or when you go home or you can't go home, send us them as Balikbayan bags. So of course you can't go home, but they will be excited, like, you know, to receive it, especially during Christmas time. And put a lot of stuff, whatever you think.
What about, don't you have shampoos in there too?
Yeah, I have some shampoos too. I can't really like. It's right there
in the bottom. But
yeah. So whatever you want to put, just put it. They will always appreciate whatever, especially came from from United States, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, wherever part of the world. As long as like you know, like.
Yeah.
You know, they get so excited, like, oh, we have a Balikbayan bags and stuff. Oh, girl. So they get excited. So
yeah, we can only fit a few more things in here, right, honey?
yeah, like this time we
Oh yeah, it's still
bought like
right.
it's just a small Balikbayan box.
Yeah.
This is a small size, right? So all we have to do is buy more stuff and put it. Because I mean, like, we Filipinos, it's not like, you know, when you have money, you put like everything in, you go shopping just for only one time. You know, we save money, we work hard, and a little bit we go in grocery, we buy like, oh, put this one. You know, we're not buying in like just only one time, because it's too much. Once you got money, you put it, go shopping again, put it like a
Dollar
little bit.
stores, stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah. because you can't really think about it like what you need to put. I mean, like you can like imagine what you want to buy, but sometimes everything's cost money, and it's not like you're focusing with Balikbayan bags. We have bills to pay, but every time you get extra, then buy it and put
Throw
it
it
in
in the
Balikbayan,
box, yeah.
and you don't even know after like a couple months or a month or 3 months, Balikbayan is all filled up and ready to go home to the Philippines. That's
Yeah, I
it.
see you have some clothes in there too.
Yeah,
for
we get
of
some
the
clothes.
kids.
Yeah, for the kids.
Towels, blankets.
Blankets,
are on
lotions,
sales at
detergent.
Walmart.
Yeah, like I mean, like there's like it's like you don't need to buy expensive one because for me, I went to Walmart and there's a clearance day. Shoes, clothes.
Oh, we gotta get sneakers for your daddy. Wants
Yeah.
the check one, Nikes.
Papa's wants to have a shoes and Mama too. So, I mean, it's worth it. Like they expect about around Christmas, everybody like kids like, hey, we have a presents.
Yeah.
But
so-
especially they open a Balikbayan box, they already expecting with a lot of chocolates. They love chocolates.
Yes.
So
I think we gotta get more. I'm not
we
sure.
we need to get more. So we pick up our chocolates in Sam's because Sam's
good
Club
price.
because the price is really good. I bought that one like the big one, right, babe? It's cost like around $20, and there's like a lot of mixed chocolates already.
Yeah, so you just separate and put the names on the bags.
just
stuff
put
like that.
names, and even though the t-shirts or towels or like this one, I'm gonna put some names so that they knows like, oh, this is mine, and like that's it.
All right. Well, thank you guys. We just
But
wanted
this
to give
one is not for Balikbayan bag. This is our baby.
We want you guys to see how it's done. Of course, most of you already know too. So,
Yeah, every Filipino knows about Balikbayan bags.
all right, guys. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit that like button.